Are you using my plans to build and sell stuff? Hey guys, this is Robert Dailey, owner of Dailey Woodworks and the Recreational Woodworker, as well as Texas Custom Kennels. Basically, a lot of brands under the same LLC. One of the things we offer are plans to build our products. And several of you have contacted me and asked, like, hey, I have people asking me to build and sell these things, but I don't know what to do because in your plans it says that, hey, this isn't for commercial use, this is for your personal use only. What's the solution? So here's what we came up with. Each of our plans is single use. You can buy our plans for like our double dog kennel, which I'm working on right here behind me. It's $20. And then you can turn around and sell it, build it for your mom, build it for your wife, build it for your husband, build it for yourself. I don't care. But that one license is for one build. If you're going to build and then sell them, what I'm asking you to do is that for one kennel sell or one item sell, you buy one set of plans. I am following this model based on the feedback I've received from other people I've had conversations with who are starting their own side hustles, small businesses, adding a product to the product line, which I think is awesome. I completely want to support you taking my designs and starting your own business and using that to grow financially and do your own thing. I think that is fantastic. And I love that in America you can just, boom, I'm going to start a business today. On our website, therecreationalwoodworker.com, we have a page that's therecreationalwoodworker.com/support. I have a link to that on the bottom of the page and in the notes below. On that page is a button where you can just click that and then make a contribution of your choice for that additional license. This keeps you from having to go and rebuy the plans every single time. That way, if you've already bought our plans, then you don't need to go and rebuy them every single time and end up with like 18 copies. This way you can just make a donation there, support what we're doing so I can keep doing this, and hopefully help you continue to grow your own little hobby business, real business, or add more products to your product line as I release more woodworking plans. I came up with this idea from my own past experiences of buying woodworking plans from other creators, specifically Jay Bates of jayscustomcreations.com. He has released dozens and dozens of great woodworking plans. Specifically, I bought his plans to build a bunk bed for a client. So I built the bunk bed. I made my money on it. I bought his plans. And then later on, I was asked to make another set. And then I had the same kind of moral dilemma of, okay, wait, this isn't really my design. I want to honor his hard work that he put into it because he did a great job on it. How do I honor that? And so I bought the set of plans again just to, quote unquote, rebuy the license. So that's what I'm asking you to do as well. So obviously this is 100% an honor and integrity system. I'm not going to come after you. I'm not going to sue you. That's not the purpose of this. It's 100% up to you to honor my request. I hope that you will. And even if not, you know what? I wish you the best. I have no hate. I have no grievance for you. But I do ask that you would act and work with integrity. Support those who have enabled you. Be a blessing to other people so that you in turn can be blessed. So that's my request. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for supporting what I do in whatever capacity you choose. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.